What's this? Strawberry? What's this one? What's that? Strawberry? I like how you say it. Strawberry. Strawberry. What's this? Broccoli. Can you say broccoli?
Yes.
Broccoli. Good using your fork. Hey, buddy. Good job. They're not cooperating for you. Look, you did it. You got it. Now eat it. You're going to eat it? Put it in your mouth. Where's your mouth? Where's your tongue? Where are your ears? Where are your ears? Ears. Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? Ethan, can you do your eyes like mommy? Can you do cross-eyed like this?